welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Jillian Berry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a raw vegan Alfredo sauce. It is so delicious and one of my favorite meals lately. So I'm also going to show you how to make pasta noodles, so it's a true pasta Alfredo dish. Not quite a fettuccine, but more a linguine, and even more delicious and leaves you feeling satisfied and healthy and energized and amazing after. Let's get started. Give this video a big thumbs up right now. First of all, I will show you what you need to spiralize your zucchini in case you're not sure. You will need a spiralizer like this, which I ordered off Amazon, or you can also get this in a handheld version, which is really easy to use like this. You just go like this. I will show you just how easy these are to use right now. I will get a large zucchini, and each one of these I only pay $1 for, so you get so much food, so much pasta for a very little price, which is great. So I cut off the ends, and because this one's so large, I cut it in half. These give so much pasta, and you know what? I personally don't like zucchini when it's cut up in cubes, or I never liked it when it was cooked or anything, but there's just something about it when you spiralize it like this. It's really, really delicious. So I definitely recommend trying it if you haven't. And to me, this tastes even better and even fresher than traditional pasta. Here we have our noodles, and I'm actually only going to use one, so see how many noodles you get out of just the one zucchini. It's more than enough for one person for lunch or dinner. I'm going to show you guys how to make the delicious sauce. So you will need a blender. I have my Vitamix right here, and my Vitamix was well worth the investment. You can also get these refurbished, which is what I get, so I pay less money for it and it works just as well. I get it off Amazon. So I have soaked about 1 1/4, 1 1/2 cups of cashews. So I will put those in. When you soak it, it makes it a lot easier on digestion for your body. You will also need some nutritional yeast, some pepper, some parsley, some sea salt. I like Celtic sea salt. It's very healthy, very good. And then an array of spices. Ideally, if you want to make up an Italian seasoning mix, that is ideal in my opinion for this dish. Otherwise, different spices you can use, dried basil, thyme, sage, and then some rosemary or some oregano. So I'll show you exactly what I do with the spices in a minute. And then also some lemon for this dish as well, and some garlic. First of all, I will add in garlic, so do about 2 to 3 cloves of raw garlic. I will also add in a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. So nutritional yeast I enjoy now and then. It's very high in B12 as well, like super high in B12. So just in 2 tablespoons, you get 630% of your daily needs for B12, which is huge. Put in about 1 tablespoon, and it gives it a nice flavor with the Alfredo. I will use the juice of about 1 lemon. I will use a little bit of salt. For spices, I'm just going to use a little bit of oregano and a little bit of sage. But like I said earlier, feel free to mess around with spices and do an Italian seasoning mix. I'm going to make one of those and maybe do it in that as well with the other spices I mentioned as well, or feel free to add those into your dish. Okay, and then I'm going to add water to blend as well. So about 3/4 to a cup of water. I will be right back to get that. Okay guys, so here we have the beautiful Alfredo sauce. It is the perfect level of creaminess and deliciousness. It smells so good. So I'm going to transfer my noodles into another bowl so I don't mess up this beautiful plate right here with getting sauce everywhere. And then I will show you guys, this isn't all, I'm going to show you guys delicious things to put on top of it as well. So there we go, look how good that is. I just mix it with my clean hands, but if you don't like to do that, then use spoons or whatever works for you. Here we have the beautiful spiralized zucchini with the delicious sauce. So what I love to do on top of this is add a lot of fresh chopped parsley. I don't know if you guys like parsley. If you don't, exclude it obviously, but if you do like it, feel free to add a lot because it's really, really delicious on here. And then I also love to add a lot of freshly ground pepper. It tastes so good with the Alfredo. Here we go guys, we have the completed raw vegan Alfredo pasta. It is so good, I promise you will love it. I highly recommend trying it, and it's so easy to make. If I can make it, anybody can make it. It looks so good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up right now, and I will see you next week. Bye.